सीरियल नंबर 1 पे मैंने रिटन सबमिशंस भी शामिल किए हुए हैं which set out my formulations, and I may have missed some of the points, but those are there in writing. And इसमें सीरियल नंबर 1 पे my lord पेज 1 से लेके पेज 12 तक वो है मेरे written submissions. I'd request this bench before writing your opinions or forming your final opinion to go through that. And I have referred to some case law. अगर आप सीरियल नंबर 11, 12 और 13 देखें, this is pages 58 to page 77. This is case law which is authority for the proposition that where the vires of the instrument creating a forum is under challenge, then that forum should not hear that matter. These cases say cannot.
Suppose if jurisdiction of the entire Supreme Court, जिसको आप full court कहते हैं,
जी, suppose
पूरी Supreme Court का jurisdiction कोई भी amendment आती है ले ली जाती है, suppose खुदा ना करे, फिर कौन सुनेगा?
हेलो, मैं तो यही कह रहा हूँ कि सुप्रीम कोई ना कोई तो फैसला करेगा कि वो सही है.
वही सुप्रीम कोर्ट सुनेगी ना
जी,
बेशक पावर ले लीजिए लेकिन सुनेंगे स्टिल वही.
वो यही मेरा सबमिशन है.
तो आप कह रहे हैं कि वो नहीं सुन सकते.
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि ओरिजिनल फुल कोर्ट बिल्कुल सुन सकती है.
जो जजमेंट्स आप पेश करते हैं कि जिस अथॉरिटी की जिस एक्ट के तहत कोई ट्राइब्यूनल या कोर्ट बनता है वो नहीं, नो डाउट वो जुरिस्डिक्शन का फैसला एक्ट का फैसला नहीं कर सकते हैं.
जी,
जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल कोर्ट्स होते हैं वही अपने जुरिस्डिक्शन का और बाकी कोर्ट्स के जुरिस्डिक्शन का फैसला कर सकते हैं. वो उस एक्ट का जुडिशियल रिव्यू सुप्रीम कोर्ट और हाई कोर्ट ही कर सकती है.
जी जी,
कोई और ट्राइब्यूनल कोई और कोर्ट नहीं कर सकती.
और मैं कह रहा हूँ
जो बात की जा रही है ना कि जिस कोर्ट को जुरिस्डिक्शन दी गई एक एक्ट के जरिए वो कोर्ट उसको नहीं सुन सकती. नो डाउट वो ट्राइब्यूनल और वो कोर्ट तो नहीं सुन सकती, लेकिन ये कदगन हाई कोर्ट या सुप्रीम कोर्ट, सपोज कल किसी हाई कोर्ट की जुरिस्डिक्शन ले ली जाती है तो क्या वो हाई कोर्ट के जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पावर ऑफ रिव्यू वो खत्म हो जाएगी?
माय लॉर्ड, माय सबमिशन इज द सुप्रीम कोर्ट एग्जिस्ट्स. The Supreme Court's power has not, under Article 184(3).
This bench is also offshoot of the Supreme Court.
This bench is a bench of the Supreme Court, but the Supreme Court also still exists. Article 184(3) में इन्होंने amendment तो नहीं की to change Supreme Court to a constitutional bench. अभी तक वो jurisdiction Supreme Court ही के पास है. So what I am requesting this bench to do at this stage, and of course, it's a matter in your discretion, but the arguments that I'm presenting is that there is no bar. Please don't say that we are stopped. You may think it's inappropriate, but you are not stopped. There is no bar. The appropriate order, which would preserve, in my respectful submission, the credibility and moral authority of the process, would be an order whereby these petitions are heard by the original full court. If sitting as part of that original full court, one or more of you still feel कि नहीं, constitutional bench को सिर्फ इख्तियार है, you can make that decision at that stage. I'm not asking you to finally decide anything. I'm saying for the sake of the institution, please refer these petitions to the original full court. That is what will enable us to move forward, get over this dispute, once and for all settle what is the correct forum as far as these petitions are concerned.
Once you say refer this matter to the full court, that what would be the via media, how the matter will be referred to the full court?
My lord,
directly, indirectly, to the registrar, to the chief justice, to the committee, what?
If you pass an order, your lordships have the power. Please don't underestimate your power. If you pass an order that these petitions are to be heard by the full court, there is a constitutional duty on every executive and judicial authority to comply with that order. I'm sure the registrar will ensure that in light of that matter, the cases will be listed for hearing before the full court, which will be convened. If you are with me, my lord, and you think it is right, कि full court ही को ये सुननी चाहिए petitions for the sake of the institutions. Please don't deny me relief कि हमें पता नहीं किसने बनाना है. Please don't deny it on that basis. If you're not with me, that's a different matter. Whoever you pass the order, please. Every authority, executive and judicial, must ensure that the order is implemented. Thank you for the hearing. I rely on the contents of the written arguments. That also includes arguments relating to implementation of the decision of the committee, and I'm grateful. Thank you.